They're selling. I'm sudando. Yeah, this is the day break juice. That's good.
I should ask for another one for Mary.
I wanted to quickly update you all. I haven't vlogged in the past, like, I don't know how long it's been. I want to say like 4 or 5 hours. I don't know. I'm at work and there's nothing to vlog here. Well, I'm just, yeah, I'm in my element. Can't vlog at work. So, tengo el pelo bien loco today. I brushed it out, but she's just wilding.
A scary face, a couple of squirrels fighting, or this one, a squash.
Guys, buenos dias. I'm on my way to school. I'm at the red light before y'all say shit. This morning I made a juice out of ¿qué tiene? It has pears, it has apples, green and red, it has a cutie. It's just random shit, low-key. I can't remember qué más leche, but I just put it on my liquid. Oh, watermelon. Like a cup of water in the blender, and then I strained it a few times to get all the pulp out, and then yeah, así nomás me lo.
Because I have a case and you know it. It's superficial.
Good. Oh my god, let me clean the. Yeah, that looks better. No, it's not. Hey guys, so buenos dias. It is like 7:30 right now. No me quería levantar today. So tomorrow is my last day here. I have to fly out to Arkansas. The main reason I'm going is because that's where my orthodontist is, and you know I have to go get my braces like adjusted. I could have probably switched to one here, but I mean I get to see my mom at least. So honestly, it would just cost me a lot way more to start out with another orthodontist. So you haven't seen me wear my weaves. So this is how she looks up close. You can definitely tell that I fucked up my lace, but it's fine. And then I was asking my homegirl, I was like, should I bring my wig? I haven't worn her in a minute. Like, I've just been letting my hair breathe and grow, and especially because I have really sensitive skin, so the products I use to apply my lace with, or like my bald cap, like me estaba dando like little granitos and stuff, so that's why I honestly stopped wearing it for a minute. I just needed to let my face rest, because like I would put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off, you know. So enough with that. I just stopped wearing it for a hot minute, and yeah. Oh my god, look crazy. But if I'm gonna take it, I have to wash it, because it has like hairspray and stuff from the other times that I've worn it. Another thing, if I'm gonna wear it, I should probably install it now, because it takes me forever to fucking install it. So I don't know, I might, we'll see. I'm not sure, como que I kind of want to, but at the same time, como que no, it's a lot of work, y'all. She definitely gives inches. Look at her, she's long. But yeah, on the days that I apply it really lazily is the days that it doesn't look good. But if I actually take the time to apply it again, it looks like all right, you know. So I don't know what I want to do. Low-key, I kind of want to buy a new one, but I want to buy an all black one. I think entering my all black moment. So I don't know, we'll see. If I end up, I think I might wash it and style it just in case. And then if anything, I'll put it on when I get to my homegirl's house, like in the middle of the night, like apply this shit. But I'm thinking I might, just because I want to look like Steph. I feel like right now I don't look like Steph. Like I look like a different version of myself. It's not like I don't wear out my hair, or you know, I do, but como que sometimes I do miss the body stuff. This is like the natural hair gives like organic stuff. Live, love, peace. Anyhow, but déjeme baño and like get the basics of the day done, cause bitch, ni me ha lavado el pinche hocico. And then también the rest of my clothes are drying. So right now, this is just a rough idea of looking the way I don't think I'm gonna take everything. But yeah. We walk in and we start looking through the grab and go stuff. Y tienen like botellas, like glass bottles. They were cool. They were like green, of water, of like their water. So, and it said $0 on it. So we just assumed, you know, they were free. So we go and we grab 2 of them, and we go to the cash register trying to buy them. And then he was like, "Oh, they're not for sale." And we were like, "Huh?" And then he was like, "Yeah, they're not for sale. They're just like for if like you're eating in here, you can take it to your table."
Oh, well, that's nice.
I prefer this over regular potato salad. Like I won't eat normal potato salad. Like it's gross. But this is the business. It's so good. I don't even eat ketchup.
You sent the email or forwarded the
Yes,
email.
this
I don't
is
think she tagged you
spinach.
in it. Yeah, no, so.
So my wig is drying. That's what she looks like when she's wet. And I did put in some like leave-in conditioner, like the spray leave-in conditioner. So hopefully she stays soft and hydrated. Baby is ready to go to bed, low-key. So you guys, I'm like a grandma. Like, I have to go to bed at like 9. I took melatonin gummy because lately I can't sleep. Like, I have a hard time sleeping. Like before, I used to stay up till like 5 or 6 in the morning, like just staring at the ceiling because I couldn't sleep. And then recently, especially, I think the time change maybe helped me, and maybe just because like I honestly don't know, maybe just I don't know, maybe doing better overall, that I'm sleeping a little better. But yeah, a lot of the times I'd be like sleeping really late, which is not good for me. Like, I literally do not function well when I am very like sleep deprived, or when I'm not on like a normal like rhythm, you know. Instead of going to sleep at like 6 or 7 in the morning, I wake up at 6 or 7 in the morning, which honestly feels so great on my body. Cause man, like running through life without sleeping ain't fucking good. I know another habit that I used to have. Oh my god, it was so bad. Before, like, let's say I had an appointment at like 8 a.m, right? But I know that I literally wouldn't sleep. Like, I couldn't sleep. And I know most likely, like, I end up sleeping like at 6 in the morning. And it's like, I get really anxious about missing my appointments. So I would just go literally the whole day without sleeping. Like, if my appointment was at 8 or 9 or whatever, I wouldn't sleep. And I ended up not sleeping until like maybe for a few hours, like around noon. But then I'd have to wake up and go to work. Like, that's how I lived my life, bitch. I would go days without sleeping. Like, the longest I've gone without sleeping is, I want to say, maybe 2 pushing on 3 days without sleeping. Like a fucking like psycho. And I would ingest Red Bulls and like energy drinks like no other. Like, I see on, like, I was like struggling, bitch. But like now I have way better sleeping habits that work for me, and bitch, I'm content. I'm a fucking grandma and I sleep like at 9 p.m. 9 p.m, phone do not disturb, don't hit me up. Or I guess hit me up because my phone's on do not disturb, but don't you fucking dare click the notify anyway, because bitch, I will be livid. Do not disturb me during my slumber, because no man. All my shit is packed, so that's great. Low-key overpacked, but it's just because like I don't know what the weather's like. I mean, bitch, I've lived there all my life, but like I guess I don't know. I don't know if it's like that level of cold. I mean, I don't know. It kind of varies sometimes. Like, sometimes it'll be cold as fuck in the mornings and stuff. And then, yeah, not that it's like hot as fuck. But I think at this point of year, I'm pretty sure it's like pretty groggy almost every day and cold. I'm telling you, bro, the wind during the cold months is something else, bro. Like, sometimes it ain't even that cold, right? Like, the air itself ain't that fucking cold, but the motherfucking wind is piercing your fucking flesh. That's how it feels sometimes. I'm being real, like, on some real shit. Oh, fuck. I can't stand the cold months over there. That shit ain't for the fucking weak. Like, that shit just, no. I have a few videos planned with my friends, and I feel like that will be kind of fun. We're 4-lifers for real. Aunque we don't see each other like every day or talk every day, but when we talk, it's like nothing. Like, we like bounce back. One of my homegirls is starting her nail business. She's been, you know, working on getting more material for her business, and you know, she's taking on clients here and there, you know. But I'm gonna post a pic of her nail page so you guys can go follow her. Yeah, I'm super happy for her. I'm so proud of her, and I'm glad that she's pursuing something that she likes. And yeah, I just know that if she keeps up like the good work and putting herself out there, like she'll get a good following and like a lot of clientele. She's funny as fuck. So hit her up. That whole point, oh shit, sorry, I know. My point was to end the vlog, but I didn't end the vlog. I'm sorry, guys. I just love talking, apparently. Like, just love going on and on. But no, yeah, follow my homegirl on her nail page journey. So help support her growing page. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Stefioli si quieren ver más contenido. I haven't uploaded anything in a minute. Like, I haven't been on my social media in a minute. The only time I really get on there is to look up like the restaurants that I post on my video and stuff like that, or like if I'm looking up a certain place, I'll open Instagram on Safari, but I don't even have the apps. I've been on a very extensive social media break, and oh my god, todavía tengo lagañas en los ojos. Qué vergüenza, bro. You know what? We're getting up close and personal, okay? but yes. What else do I gotta say? I don't know, but I'm not sure when I plan to break my social media break. Maybe I'll be active a little bit over the weekend, since my friend, she's gonna do my nails and I want to post her nails, you know. So I might be active this weekend, but I think I'm gonna like to officially be back on the internet like that. I think I'm gonna wait a few more months. I've been good without using social media, so like, bitch, I don't even have TikTok, so any TikTok slaying, bitch, I don't even know. Like, I haven't been on there like at all. Like, literally borré la aplicación. I took off my TikTok, I took off my Instagram, I took off my Facebook. Like, everything was deactivated for a certain amount of time, but I'm pretty sure like my Facebook and like, okay, who the fuck Facebook, bitch. But like, but my Instagram también, like, I activated on its own again, so like you're able to search me up, right? But like the apps aren't on my phone, and if I ever get on there is because like I'm looking up like a certain place or something, not really to lurk on people or like to post, you know. Just, yeah. Anywho, guys, I'll see you guys next time. I have a bunch of videos planned for this weekend. A ver si se hacen, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, ahí nos vemos. Bye.